From NPR and WBEZ Chicago, this is Wait, Wait, Don't Tell Me, the NPR News Quiz. It's Passover. Get ready for the plague of bills. I'm Bill Curtis, and here is your host, watching old reruns of MacGyver just to remember what human touch looks like. Peter Sago.
Thank you, Bill, and thanks everybody who is not at this moment inside this closet with me. And thanks once again to the audience at the Kennedy Center Honors Ceremony for Dolly Parton. You're all too kind. Not to her, to us. Many of you are only venturing out from your closets to go cook, and you're probably tired of just making boxed mac and cheese and popcorn. So later on, we'll be talking to cooking guru Samin Nosrat, who can help you out, probably just by coming up with a fancy French name for mac and cheese with popcorn. But first, we want to hear how you're staying sane, and what better proof of that could there be than wanting to win the voice of a stranger for your own voicemail. Give us a call. The number is 1-888-WAIT-WAIT. That's 1-888-924-8924. Let's welcome our first listener contestant. Hi, you're on Wait, Wait, Don't Tell Me.
Hi, this is David Caudill from New Albany, Indiana.
New Albany, Indiana. Now, where is that exactly?
It's right across the river from Louisville, just across the bridge.
Oh, I see. So you can see Louisville from where you are.
Yeah, I can see Kentucky from my house. Just about.
Now, what do you do there?
I'm a truck driver.
Oh, you are. A lot of our listeners are truck drivers. I like to think we keep you company on the long hauls.
Definitely. I've been listening. That's what I listen to podcasts all day when I'm driving, and yours is usually the top of the list.
Oh, that's great to hear. I have a question I've always wondered about. Do you guys have a particular favorite kind of thing to haul, or is it all just one and the same to you? You back up your cab or whatever you have?
For the most part, it's the same. I mean, what I do right now, I haul groceries, so it's pretty much the same basic thing every day, but I've hauled all kinds of stuff. Yeah.
Oh, dude, you could pull over, open the door, and make it killing anytime you want. Well, welcome to the show, David. Let me introduce you to our panel this week. First up, it's a writer and producer for Jesus and Mero on Showtime, whose essay collection, Nice Try, is out now. It's Josh Gondelman.
Hello.
Next, the comedian who plays Tracy, the head of HR on the very final season of Silicon Valley, now streaming for free at HBO.com. It's Helen Pong.
Thank you. Oh, you're too kind.
And a writer and humorist who'll be appearing at the breakfast table in boxers and earbuds through May 1st. It's Tom Bodett. Well, welcome to the show, David. You're going to play Who's Bill this time. Bill Curtis is going to read you 3 quotations from this week's news. If you can correctly identify or explain just 2 of them, you'll win our prize. Any voice from our show you might choose on your voicemail. You ready to go?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Your first quote comes from a whole bunch of different people who are all crying out on Twitter. The quarantine 15 is real. They were all noticing that we're all doing a lot of what now that we're stuck at home?
There's a lot of eating?
Yes, David, yes. What is worse than COVID-19? It's the COVID-15, meaning all the weight we're gaining from sitting around and eating all day. It's just like the freshman 15 from our first year in college, which makes sense, because just like then, we're stress eating because we can't understand what's going on. Plus, we can't enjoy any of our usual pleasures, so we're all reduced to the 2 most basic ones, eating and then thinking about what you're going to eat next.
Yeah, David, if you could just back that truck up to my house, that would save a lot of time.
Are you guys finding this to be a problem? Are you overeating since you're stuck at home?
Oh, my God. All of my baggy sweatshirts are now just sweatshirts.
Am I overeating? No, I am into it still. I'm over moving. It's not that I'm eating too much, I'm just eating all the wrong things. I was like a vegan for 2.5 years, and since we're all gonna die anyway, I decided I'm going out in style, and I've just been eating the same old way I always have. And you know what? They're not hoarding. What is in ample supply at every grocery store you go to is Reese's cups. There's lots of Reese's cups and fun-sized Snickers, and somehow I've begun hoarding those. They keep in the freezer, as it turns out.
You're going to be in demand come Halloween if we're still quarantined.
No, they'll be long gone, Josh.
I think a lot of the women might appreciate this.